Good morning and welcome to today's Market Outlook. My name is Edmund. So over the last 24 hours, we continue to see that the US dollar is on a bullish trend. For yesterday, the US dollar started to move up from 93.38 levels. This happened at about 9 plus 5, 1400 hours, which is 2 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. The US dollar continues to rise up from this bullish trend line, which was formed on a Monday and also on a Tuesday. Okay. So for yesterday, yes, it moved up from about 93.38 levels at 2 p.m. all the way to a high of 93.90 levels at about late in the evening at about 10 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. So with the US dollar being bullish, we do see the UK pound having signs of resistance at the top over here at 1.3066 levels, and towards 2 p.m. local Singapore time as the US dollar was strengthening. The UK pound drops from 1.3016 all the way down to 1.2889. So this was a 126 point drop throughout the afternoon of the session yesterday. Okay, so moving on to euro dollar. Euro dollar also exhibits signs of weakness as the US dollar strengthened at 2 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. Euro dollar drops from 1.1753 all the way to 1.1689. So for today, on the 4-hour charts, the range for the US dollar would be towards a high of 93.96 over here. There's a high chance that it may come down to test these support levels and also to test this bullish dynamic trend line again. So if US dollar does weaken back down to 93.58 levels, we will be able to see the UK pound moving back up to test this resistance levels of 1.2970 levels. Okay. So moving on to gold prices. Gold prices yesterday was relatively quiet. It only started to strengthen at about 8 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time from 1,889 US dollars all the way to a high of 1,909 US dollars. Okay. So oil prices was pretty volatile also, coming down from $41.38 at about 1 p.m. and it came down all the way to $39.49. It dropped $1.86 before having a strong V-shaped recovery after bouncing off from this support line over here. Okay, so so conditions are extremely interesting, and as for the S&P 500, it has been bearish since Monday. It's been bearish since Tuesday, Wednesday, and also yesterday, and late in the evening at about 9 p.m. Okay, local Singapore Malaysia time, the S&P 500 manages to find good support at 3,444 points and moves up all the way to 3,497. Okay, so very exciting times as usual. Plenty of opportunities to trade the markets. And for today, watch out for the US trading sessions, as we will be having the core retail sales data at 8:30 p.m. and also the capacity utilization rate. So attention will be on the European Council meeting in Brussels today as they discuss about one of the main topics, the BREXIT deal between the UK and also the European Union. Okay, so bear in mind the US dollar is currently on a bullish trend, but also bear in mind that it's been going up for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, so there could be a high chance that the US dollar could be weakening for today. So have a good trading day ahead, have a good weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday for the next market updates. Thank you and good trading.